Yo guys, what is going on? It is your boy Ash here, bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the GK61. I got the white version with the brown switches. I already opened up to show somebody else because this is technically somebody else's because I gotta switch the switches out and everything. So this is the GK61 with the brown switches. Boom. And let me show you guys LED. Whoa, that's ridiculously fast. How do I slow that down? There we go. Turn it all the way bright. Couple different modes on here. Not that many. I'm gonna put on the color wave a little bit faster. Just like that, right? Sure, let me turn off the lights, and that is the colorway. Now, this is all white with optical browns, so let's get into sound tests. Now the browns are pretty much all the same in all these, but I do like one thing about this keyboard that I didn't really notice in the other ones because I don't know, I haven't opened up the RK61 Christmas edition, but I noticed it with the backspace that the stabilizers, I don't know if the switches are, but the stabilizers are actually pre-lubed. So it sounds a little better than something like this. See how loud that is? Unlubed. 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 Alright. Let's get into a couple games with this.